Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to be showing you how to easily install Java on your Kali Linux. So after launching your terminal, the first thing you're going to do of course is to make sure your repositories are up to date. So update it with the apt update command, and once your repository is updated, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to install Java. So to install Java, you're going to be using the command apt install default jdk. Okay, and do not forget to add sudo at the back, okay, if you're using a user account. As for me, I'm using the root account, so I do not have to use sudo. Okay, but if you're not using a root account, if you're using a user account, please always make sure you add sudo at the back of your command to avoid any error. And that is it. That command is going to install Java. Okay, and if I type the command java dash version, as you can see right now, dash version, as you can see, I am using the openjdk version 17, which was last built on January this year. As you can see, 2023 117, which is pretty much updated. So let us try running a simple hello world Java file. Okay, so I already wrote this code, and I just pasted it here, and let us test it to be sure that this Java is working. Okay, so as you can see, this is the simple Java code, and I'm going to compile this code now by using the command javac, which is java compile hello.java. okay, and that command is going to compile the Java code. Okay, so we're just going to wait for it to finish doing what it does. And now that that is done, let me quickly clear the screen now. Let's clear the screen. Clear. And let me list the files I have in this directory. As you can see, we have the hello.class and hello.java. okay, hello.java is the main Java file, and hello.class is the compiled Java file. So let us run the Java file now. Java hello.java, and as you can see, hello world. So this is basically how you install Java on your Kali Linux operating system. It is a simple method that saves you the headache of having to go to the Oracle website and download Java from there and extract and install all of that. So this is it. If you found this video helpful, click the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications to be notified when I upload a new video. And if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to reply you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.